Hello and welcome to Living in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm Evan Deal with the Lead Icon team and eXp Realty. And on today's episode, we are back in McCordsville checking out another amazing new build. This one in Haven Ponds by Silverthorne Homes. We're looking at the Jefferson. If you're interested in ranch style homes, this is one you can't afford to miss. But before we get into that, be sure to leave a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so that you're kept in the loop on everything happening in and around Indianapolis and McCordsville, this city that we love and call home. So check it out. All right, let's go inside and take a look. First thing you're gonna notice, because I love to point this out, what was on the front door? Glass, that's right. And straight back in the house through the entryway, also glass. Beautiful sight lines, end to end in the house. And we got a nice tall entryway here. You know, a lot of houses, you get that tight entryway and it's not very welcoming, but you have a nice tall entryway. Like I'm not even close to the ceiling. So let's check it out. This one is gonna be a little different. So this is a 1.5. You know, like I said earlier, we are in the Jefferson today. They also have the Van Buren here, different options, all really nice by Silverthorne here in McCordsville. And let's just dive into it. So we go off the entryway and here we've got, I'm gonna call it bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3 up front. So you can use it as a bedroom. It's got the closet behind me. Actually a really nice closet, nice walk-in closet. And if you know this channel, you know what I'm gonna say. Look at getting them finished, because getting closets finished gives you maximum space and it's awesome. But you've got bedroom 3 up here and you're actually gonna find bedroom 2 is over here. So I'm just gonna skip over that bathroom right now. You can see another nice size bedroom. I mean, they've got what is that, a full size in here with big end tables, and it fits very comfortably. They got a nice big dresser as well. So plenty of space in this bedroom. You've got these 2 bedrooms up front. So this being a 1.5, your bedrooms aren't necessarily gonna be tucked away in like a back corner, because that's where your primary is gonna be, and you'll get to see that in a little bit. But in the front corner here, they are tucked off to the side. So you have that nice degree of privacy. And even better with these bedrooms, check this out. Look at this monster closet. It is absolutely huge. This is one of the biggest closets I've seen in a new build, like auxiliary bedroom. So you want to use those as bedrooms, you want to use those as office, whatever. There's lots of options with this house, which you're going to see as we go along. Now, for these 2, this is a 3-bed, 2-bath. You've got the nice double vanity, really big bathroom here. So, I mean, check it out with me. You've got really great double vanity, huge mirror, nice size shower, and of course the toilet. So this is also going to be your main bathroom in this house, given that it's a 3 and 2. The other one is in the primary. So let's orient ourselves. We're here in the entryway. We checked out the 2 side bedrooms and bath. You can use them as bedrooms. You can use it as an office or something else. Of course, most exciting part of every entryway, look at that closet for all your coats and scarves. Now we got 2 paths here. It forks in the hallway. So we're gonna branch off and go down the secret side hallway. Here, we've got the extra secret, tiny little storage space. So that's just for mechanicals and stuff. Nothing too serious. And then over here, this is your garage. Now it's a little different for the model here, because it's a 2-car garage. You can see they got a little storage closet in here, but really it's a 2-car garage, and you also have the exterior door as well, which is always nice, you know, so yard work or something, you don't have to haul everything out your garage door. We're gonna back up together, check this out. Laundry room off to the side, plenty of space. You got a storage rack. You wanna add additional storage over here, you got plenty of space, but I'm a fan of the washer dryer on pedestals, so you get the storage underneath if you want it, long-term or short-term. I like to use it for short-term if I don't have something to carry the laundry up. But I don't know. Tell me, do you like the pedestals on the laundry? I also like not having to bend down to load it. Extra little closet up here, so you're coming in from the garage with your coat or whatever. There's not a drop zone here, but you have closets. You have lots of storage, and I mean, here's what we looked at earlier. And it's right in front of you, so when you walk in. So no matter where you're walking in from, there's plenty of storage space in this house. All right, let me interrupt myself, because here is the wow factor of the house. Check out this amazing open space. Oh man, it is beautiful in here. Natural light everywhere, regular electrical light everywhere. I don't even know where to start. You know, the heart of the home's in the kitchen, right? Let's check out the kitchen. We got these beautiful stainless steel appliances. Look at this refrigerator. Put your orange juice, your milk in there, whatever you like. Microwave with the oven. It's nice. It's all nice. Nice touches everywhere. Of course, the dishwasher. Let's find it together. Oh yeah, right here, right in your island, next to the sink. Of course it's next to the sink. What am I saying? Sink has one of these nice little nozzle sprayer thingies. These are my favorite because you get, 2-in-1. 2-in-1 functionality. You want to spray your dishes, you want to wash your hands, you're all good to go. Y'all know I love to talk about the size of islands and homes, and this one's no exception. This is an exemplary working space. This is like the New Zealand of islands. I know New Zealand's got it's not like the biggest island, but it's a good big island, right? So we're gonna call it the New Zealand of islands. All right, over here is your dining area. Nice little dedicated nook. Nice feature, it's got the slider door, so you get extra light in your dining area, which is always nice. You have it in the morning, or get your Fruit Loops or whatever, scrambled eggs. Nice little paved area outside if you want to add some chairs or something, and a really, really good sized lot as well. That's something you can notice throughout the whole neighborhood, is the lot sizes are really generous. All right, check out the ceiling in here. Beautiful tray work, can lights throughout, giving you plenty of light. This is like a supersized living room and a half. So here's the living room. Like, I don't know if you've got big furniture, but big furniture would fit in here. They've got, couch, love seat, 2 chairs, 2 tables, and it's not crowded at all. It's like really tasteful. So if you've got big furniture, plenty of space for it. But then check out this extra little half back here. So there's extra seating, extra shelves. You don't really see this in a lot of new builds. And so it's nice because it makes this open space more open, if that makes sense. You have your dining area, you have your kitchen, you have like a room and a half, plus this kind of in-between walking space that I'm in right now. It's just nice. All right, let's go back. I forgot something in the kitchen. Come with me. Check out, oh man, check out this enormous pantry. There's lots of storage in here. You don't get this everywhere. I highly recommend it. So all your boxed goods, or maybe the stuff you don't use every day, that's what it's good for. All right. Here we are. Exciting, exciting place. Primary bedroom. Look at the size of this room. It is tremendous. So you've got, they have it very tastefully done. Of course, that's how they do it at Silverthorne. It's very nice looking. King size bed in here. So I don't know if I can properly convey how big this room is, but it's a good sized room. You've got plenty of natural light. You got that beautiful window above the bed. Check it out. Look at that. You don't get that everywhere. That's a nice touch. And let's check out the primary bathroom. Beautiful double vanity, no sharing here, that's the best. Plenty of drawers. What's that, 8 drawers? That's a lot of drawers. It's good, lots of storage. All right, nice soaker tub. Not everyone has that. That's something to look out for. I know my wife loves having a bathtub. We didn't have a bathtub when we built a house, and bathtubs are just cool. They're a nice feature of the the floor plan, and we've got one here. So if you like a good bath, this could be a good option for you. Also, nice shower. It's a double shower, so it's not, just a stall. You've got the full-size shower in there. And of course, the throne room back there with a linen closet. We're not gonna get any linen closet, it's just a linen closet. Here's your primary closet. Plenty of space in here. I swear I'm not hired by the closets industry, but I would always recommend finishing out, especially your primary closet, because you will double the size of the storage in there. But it's a good closet nonetheless. Plenty of hanging room. All right, walking through this beautiful house. Do you remember what I said earlier? It's a 1.5. So where's the half? Let's go find the half. All right, while we're walking upstairs, let me tell you about Haven Ponds. Haven Ponds is built around, you guess it, being a haven with a bunch of ponds. So there are 6 ponds in this community. So plenty of waterfront, sort of living. You want to build on water, have that beautiful view, get some geese or ducks, in the pond behind you. This is a good place for that. So not every community is built on that. Some just try to use every square space for another house. I've seen communities like that. Not so with Haven Ponds. Really nice looking community the way they're planning it. There's still lots of opportunity to build here. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. And it actually this floor plan starts in the 300s. You're not gonna find that everywhere around Indianapolis. So really good opportunities for more affordable building. It gets into the 400s, the more features you add, and they do have other floor plans here that are like 2 stories that can get bigger. But hey, there's not a lot of places around Indy right now where you can get a new build in the 300s. So check out Haven Ponds. It's a good place. Lots of walking trails too, by the way. All right, let's check out the half. So let's give you the full scope first. We walked up the stairs. So, we're basically in a ranch home with a little bonus. It's a bonus room. So you don't have to have this. It's an option, but it's a cool option. So not only do you get this like monster loft here, I mean, check out this huge couch. They got a big TV up here. So plenty of space to have like a man cave, a kid hangout space, playroom, or they also have the office on the other half. So it's a nice big open space where you can have multiple functions up here. And it also houses your mechanicals. How exciting. But that way, with this design, they're kind of out of the way. So you don't have to worry about them taking up any of your storage space. So you probably noticed there's tons of storage space in this house. It's really nice. Some new builds skimp on that. They try to use the square footage differently, but not here. I mean, how many closets do we have downstairs? The closets in the bedrooms were big. There were multiple closets out in the open space. So if you have a lot of stuff, or you're like, I want to get a lot of stuff, hey, this could be an option for you. So once again, we are in Haven Ponds. This is by Silverthorne Homes, and we are in McCordsville, Indiana. McCordsville, as you know, if you've listened to this channel, I will drone on and on about it. McCordsville is booming. There is a ton of new build activity here, and there's new investment. You got the McCord Square District going in, a proper full-size downtown for McCordsville. So it's just really happening here right now. There is a lot going up, and the area is changing. So if you want to be a part of that, if you want maybe a little bit more affordable option for new construction, come check out McCordsville. Check out Haven Ponds. These are nice houses on nice lots. I mean, I really can't recommend it highly enough, and I'd love to show it to you. All the info is down below. Check it out. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call, and if I don't answer, leave a voicemail. But I want to work with you. I want to help you because I love new construction. I love Indianapolis. All right, so that's all I've got for you today. This is a nice home. Let me know what you think of it down below in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And where should I go next? Let me know. Give me all your opinions because I want to hear them. So with that, this is Living in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm Evan Deal with Elite Icon Team and eXp Realty. And before you go, leave a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so that you're kept in the loop on everything happening in and around Indianapolis and McCordsville. This 317, the Circle City that we love and call home, we know you'll love too. Thanks so much, and see you in the next one.